Hey guys, this is Steve from Work Adventures. We are headed up to Flagstaff this morning. It is Friday and the first day of Overland Expo West. We're going to be checking out some new products for overlanding in the industry and seeing if we can find some cool things to share with you. All right, so come along and let's go. All right, welcome to Overland Expo West 2025. I'm Steve from Work Adventures, and we are going to see all the new vendors today. So Work, finish work, let's go. I didn't think I was going to Overland Expo West 2025 this year, but our schedules aligned and decided to make a day trip out of it. And I've been coming for the last 4 years, and this is the first time for my wife to experience Overland Expo. So I was super excited to share with her the Overland world and all the cool products that are out there. She was super excited to see the products as well. We're at the Aqua Boost station. I've got Joel, the CEO. Joel, tell me about your product and the niche it fits.
Absolutely. So thank you. My name is Joel. I'm the CEO. This is Aqua Boost. It's Gift Lab's first product offering. It's a personal fuel cell. So you pour any kind of salt, any kind of water into this, and it will generate electricity to power lights, phones, iPads, other small electronic devices. It generates 5 volts, 1.2 amps of power, which is about 6 watts. So we don't do large applications. We take care of the smaller devices, and the use cases primarily for this are disaster response. You know, if something comes through that takes out power to your house, right? Or maybe in your vehicle, if your vehicle breaks down and you've got one in the trunk, right? Or if you're outdoor recreation, you're out camping, hunting, fishing, hiking, anywhere you're out where you need access to power, you do not need solar. You do not need to plug it into the grid because it's its own standalone power source. It generates its own energy. Now the fuel inside the fuel cell is this magnesium plate. This magnesium plate has a lot of electrons that are bound up inside of it. The salt water eats away at this and generates electrons. We capture those to create the energy to power your devices.
So do you got to have distilled water, tap water? What kind of water do you use?
You can actually use any kind of water. So you can use ocean water, brackish water, muddy water, you can use urine, you can use any kind of water source. Because the whole purpose of the water is to get the salt to touch the metal.
Yeah.
Once that happens, chemistry takes over.
So this is like a serious backup to you're out there and you know, like your battery power source is out.
Correct.
You need to charge your phone
Anywhere, anytime.
Wow.
Doesn't matter if it's night or day. And if you've got power banks you're traveling with, and you use up those power banks, you can charge your power banks off of this. It becomes its own generating source of electricity.
Cool. And I heard someone say you can take them on an airplane.
You can. So what's interesting about this is it's not labeled a dangerous good because it doesn't have lithium ion in it. It doesn't have any rare earth metals. Salt and water is harmless. It's environmentally friendly.
Right.
So you can travel with it on a plane and you can take it anywhere in the world with no regulation issues.
Sweet. Where can they find you, and
Yes.
what are you looking at the price point of something like this?
Price point right now at our launch is $299. $299 gets you the bundle of the unit, the plates, the light, and the cable. You can find us at aquaboostpower.com. And we're super excited to be launching right now because we're coming up on the summer season, we're coming up on the fall season. There's a lot of activity and a lot of opportunity to use this. And so thank you for your time.
Hey, I appreciate it. You guys are taking old technology and putting in something new. I like that.
Yes.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much.
If you're new to overlanding or been in overlanding for a while, these Overland Expos put on a great show of different vendors with different products. I highly recommend coming out to meet people in the overland community and some of the most innovative people in the industry and build great relations with people in the overland community. I'm with Tim with Bottlejack Buddy. We've been here before, but I wanted to stop by to see what he's got new. Tim?
Absolutely. We were here a couple years ago together before we had this. So this is the newest product in the lineup. It's made for us by a company that makes crane outrigger pads. 44,000 pounds per square inch. You set that under the jack, keep you from sliding into the sand, slipping off. And we have these, a bunch of show specials if you can get out here with us. But as you might know, these are our American-made Bottlejack Buddy. This is a standard 3-inch size, fits your Jeeps, your Toyotas, anything half-ton or smaller. And then this is our big one. This will be any of your F-250s or above, 2500s or above, any of the 3/4 ton trucks. But no, just thank you for watching this channel, because we worked together 2 years ago and it was a fantastic video I got to watch. So.
I appreciate that. And check these guys out. We're at Overland Expo West 2025, another year. So
come and see us at bottlejackbuddy.net.
All right, let's go.
Thank you.
I have to apologize to Tim for not meeting up with him after the show, as we had to scoot. However, I just did want to mention that their company is launching a new beer. I suggest you go check it out. Oh, I was gentle. Said 40-ounce tumbler, but I'll take the Tumbler, that's fine. I'm gonna win, so I'm just gonna film it, you know, just to be sure.
It'd be awesome if you did, and I'd have you send me your reaction for a recap.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
Yeah.
Just call my name.
It would look so rigged.
I know, right? I'm standing in the booth.
Filming yourself.
Okay, Overland, it is 3 p.m. How we feeling out there? You guys been having a good time so far? Enjoying this beautiful weather? Is my winner out there?
Right here, right here.
I don't know, I didn't hear well.
So this was interesting that I found pretty cool. This is a rooftop tent with the built into your hardtop. Well, actually, they replace your whole hardtop, and it's made by Ursa Minor. And I was at the Goose Gear booth, and this makes it very long inside, where you could put another bed there, and it comes with the fridge right there, and then got the Goose Gear table, you know, for cooking. I have something very similar, and under this is a pull-out stove, so it's got everything you need for your little kitchen in the back. What I find super cool is that you can use this and actually stand up to change if you need, but it'll hold 2 people comfortably in the tent. And there's a backseat delete that was just made by Goose Gear, developed, and it's going to be out for production here.
Is this like a prototype, or is this like a one-off?
A couple months, they said,
so
but that was the first one.
You know,
and the
it's
owner
his
of this
first
Bronco
build,
said
but it's pretty close to what he's going to probably
a lot
offer.
of wind
Okay.
noise with this
So
new
it's ready for
hardtop in the
production.
tent,
It's taking you-
and a lot of storage in this backseat.
On a 4-door
delete.
Bronco. like you.
Highly recommend. Go check them out.
I'm here with Luke. He's got a design that will fit your forerunners and Silverados. And so, Luke, tell us what you got.
All right, guys. So Never Inside is the company. We are gear for outside. And this right here, if you have a Forerunner 5th Gen 2014 to 2024, this will fit right in that little worthless cubby hole in the dashboard that people can't really figure out what to use it for. So it's called a smash mount. It's got some steel springs inside, some nice high quality silicone pads here. And you just smash it into that cubby, and then you've got yourself a nice phone
awesome.
mount. And it wraps around the cup holder a little bit, so it covers it a little. You can't do large cups, but you can still do like monster-sized cans with it.
Nice.
All right. If you need something a little more versatile, this is the same thing. We call it the Stubby Smash. The difference with this is it has a 1-inch RAM size ball mount on it. So you can use this with more like RAM compatible items, you know, if you want to do your GPS or an iPad or something like that.
Yeah, that's do that.
Or if you just like the concept, but the phone isn't quite in the right spot with that one, you can use this to put it exactly where you do like it. The other thing we have right now is this is for the 2019 to 2021 Chevy Silverado. If you do not have the trailer brake controller in the dashboard and you just have a panel cap, then you can take that panel cap off, and this will give you a nice solid phone mount. You just squeeze these to get it back out if you need to sell the vehicle or something like that. And it comes with a free plastic panel tool in order to get that panel cap off.
Man, that is a nice little niche to fill these holes, because you don't know what to put in those little spots.
You know, they make some silly trays on Etsy, you know what I mean? But that's about it.
So Luke, tell me the price point on these, and where can they find it, and how do they follow you?
Okay, you can find any of this stuff at neverinside.com. All 3 of these are also on Amazon, Etsy, TikTok. The Runner Smash Mount is $50. Okay. The Stubby Smash full phone mount kit is $70 online. Just the mount itself comes for $50.
Okay.
And you can also get it with a 20mm ball mount if you have like off-roam type stuff or some of those other setups. This right here is $55 online on Amazon.
Oh, you can find on Amazon. Cool.
They're all on Amazon.
All right, and where are you out of?
I am out of the Temecula area in Southern California.
Okay, cool.
All right.
All right, man.
All right.
Thanks for taking the time.
Hey, thank you. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Thanks,
guys.
Luke. Sink there and sink there, but it also has a sink outside. It's kind of cool. right, guys, that does it for us up here in Flagstaff. Spent the whole day up at Overland Expo 2025. Did a lot of walking. A lot of the same stuff as last year, not as many vendors really. To say, a lot of big name vendors came out this year, like Subaru and some, I don't know, some other ones that are out there you'll see. But if you're new to overlanding and just want to see some great builds, I suggest you go to one of these Overland Expos. They definitely have a lot of stuff up there that's creating a niche for the market, a fit for a need, and you definitely want to go out to see how other people have built their rigs, what's out there you can put in your rigs, and if you have enough money, you can do anything to your rig. But there's some great affordable ways that you can do it. People are creating some great stuff. I suggest you go check them out. All right, so this is Steve with Powerwork Adventures. If you liked some of the content that you've seen and want to follow more, I'm gonna be posting more and creating more stories. Just push that like and subscribe button and for the updates. All right guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace.